Well, I was actually at Gate 30, just walking towards the food court. I mean, I think Gate 30 is the closest to where the security checkpoint is. And suddenly I heard a couple of popping noises, and I just turned to look. It just sounded like somebody banging on something, but there was a stampede of people coming my way, and I realized that something was very wrong. And people were panicking just seeing the stampede of people that started to run. So people were running into the bathrooms. People were screaming, "Run into the bathroom!" Get behind something. And actually, I was very close to the escalator that goes down to the walkway to the baggage claim area. So I decided to just head down the escalator. Picked up my carry-on bags, ran down this long corridor, and then at the end of the corridor, where we would have had to go out through security, the security guard didn't know anything that was going on at that point, and she just kept saying, "If you go out, you can't come back in." But then all of a sudden, the police came and said, "Everybody down on the floor." So everyone immediately went down to the floor, and police ran the other way down the corridor. And a few moments later, the police asked us to get up and run, get out. So we ran across, everyone ran different ways, but I ran to the parking structure across the street, got into one of the stairwells where I figured I was surrounded by concrete. And eventually the police came and escorted us all to the international terminal where the bulk of the people are, as far as I can tell right now.